Hello and welcome to Esteemed Moment on the Mount. I'm Deanna Hall, and with me I have Maggie and Jenna and Colton and Ben. And we're going to be doing an experiment that started out from learning about compounds and mixtures in the classroom. We learned that water was a compound. Who can tell me why water is a compound, guys?
It has two elements.
Two elements. We've got hydrogen and oxygen mixed together. If you had the formula H2O, you'd have two capital letters that indicate they've been bonded. So we're starting with a compound, but we're going to mix something with it. The paint that we have came from Ms. Jelonic, our art teacher, and she showed us a technique that's called marbling. So we're going to see what happens when we put the paint into the water. So go ahead, take your paint and open it up. And we want to see, dropping that on the top, what happens when we try to mix the paint with the water. There you go. All right. There you go. Now it's moving it. Okay, add another color. Feel free to use more than two if you like. Now, as I see this, the paint stain on the surface of the water, why do you think that is?
Its density is lighter than the water.
The paint's density is lighter than the water, less than 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So it's staying on the top. What kind of mixture does that make it now?
Heterogeneous.
Absolutely. Heterogeneous means it does not mix evenly. Now, if you'll take something to swirl it around, would you like another color, guys, or you just going to go with two? It's fine. Perfectly fine. All right. So move the dot to the side. That helps with our surface tension. And swirl it around a little bit. Let's see what kind of pattern we can make. And if the paint still stays on the surface of the water, or if moving it around actually makes it mix, like mixing sugar with water or salt with water, sometimes it will cause it to dissolve. Do you think the paint is dissolving in the water?
No.
No, it's not. It's still a heterogeneous mixture, and we can see the individual components, just like you can see the pretzels and Chex Mix. Lovely. All right, now, the goal of this to make marbling is to take paper and see if we can pull the paint off the surface because it did not mix thoroughly with the water. So take a sheet of paper. Thank you, Jenna. Here you go, guys. And remember, we want to try to do it from one end, as Ms. Jelonic showed us, and then slowly push it to the other end so that we get all the air bubbles up. That's why it's nice to have a partner in this so that you can do it with 4 hands. All right? So start at one end and then gently press it down, trying to remove all the air bubbles. Lovely. Lovely. That is gorgeous. Now, you want to take it from 2 corners, one person, and hold it up away from you over the tray so we can see if we can let it drain upright. And we can show it off. What a gorgeous piece of art. Okay? So marbling, can you get that one too, Colton? Look at that. And turn it around this way, please, so I can see it. Turned out beautifully. Marbling, yes, is an art technique that uses mixtures as its base in science. What a wonderful combination of science and art. Thank you very much, guys. It's beautiful.